Now my printing spoolsv.exe is working as normal. Even permission, I leave it as full. My full scan on C drive is 0 also. But wait, the virus file is still there, yet scan is 0. Print spooler service. I try restarting to trigger the antivirus alert, but nothing come out. Now I show my CBS log, which show the new version of printing spooler network client. How I managed to get the new version? It is through Windows 11 PE, meaning I boot into recovery environment and rename the spoolsv.exe to spool.old.old. When the system boot up, I run the system file checker. Then it will repair and show in CBS log. Say repair spoolsv.exe with this component updated. But I remember I run system file check already. This mean the spool was from Windows 10 upgrade. It didn't get updated even in new 11. I keep updating for fun. Even scanning this file show nothing. Now antivirus didn't pop up. I have to do lots of reset password. And lucky lots of important site have 2FA.